for the gold medal. For match number 38, let us welcome our Signal HB Spikers. And defending champions of the 2021 Golden Conference held in Ilocos, our Cherry Eagle. So now we have the official warm-up.
Si Bong Pineda dumaan na.